Hey kids, Horrible John Barble here. Are you tired of paying premium prices for lard? I know I was. Well, that's why I opened John Barble's House of Lard. Using cutting-edge lard extraction technology, we can get high-quality lard from low-quality animals. So come on down and get our special offer, a free pint of moose lard with every purchase. John Barble's House of Lard, where we make everyday lard. You want a free pint of moose lard? I'll tell you where to go. John Barble's House of Lard, where every day is lard. Our lard is the freshest around. We got our dog lard from the pound. Our horse lard comes from the forest. Top and lard, the sea of course. Sleep easy, lard out. I'll keep your enemies at bay. Sleep easy, lard out. I'll keep your enemies at bay. Lard house, moose, lard house, moose, lard house. Sleep easy, lard house. I'll keep your many enemies at bay. Horrible House of